Right, if you've got a garden tool such as a spade and it's got a wobbly handle like that one has, it moves, so every time you use it you feel it moving in your hand, all you need is that H2O, shove it in and leave it. Well, this has been in the older water for a few hours now, and I'm going to assume, well I hope anyway, that it's took the water on, expanded a little bit, because the reason why it went loose, the handle was loose, is because the wood has dried out so much and made the handle loose in its socket, and made the handle loose on the handle. The handle loose on the handle. But anyway, made the handle loose. And now it is, yeah, it's tight. It's tightened up. That's good. That's cool. I might leave it there a bit longer. Anyway, if you've got wooden handled tools and they're all gone a bit wobbly, you know, shove them in some water, they'll expand, they'll take a bit of moisture on, because effectively what's happened is they're dried out in the sun, and they'll all be a good one again. Anyway, if you can be most kind and click like and subscribe, and maybe that little bell icon, because then you'll get a nice warm fuzzy feeling in your pocket, and that'll be me uploading a new video.